In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate messages in Slack. With just a few simple steps, you'll be able to streamline your communication and save time for your team. This guide will walk you through the process and get you set up in no time. First, start by opening up your preferred web browser and performing a Google search for Slack. Once you've navigated to the Slack homepage, look for the button that says Launch Slack and click on it to open your preferred workspace. If you haven't installed the desktop app, don't worry. You can still proceed by selecting the option to use Slack in your browser, which offers most of the same functionalities as the app. After accessing your workspace, you'll notice a menu on the left side of the screen. Here, find and click on Automations. This is the hub where you can create new workflows or utilize pre-made templates to enhance your productivity. For those who are just starting out or need a touch of inspiration, these templates can be a real time saver. Let's proceed with an example to show you the practical side of things. We're going to use the weekly check-in template, popular among teams for maintaining consistent communication. Click on the Setup button to initiate the process. Once you're in the Setup interface, you'll be prompted to select your preferred day and time for the message to be sent out. After making your choices, navigate forward by clicking the arrow pointing to the right. This is where you decide which channel the message is going to be posted in. Use the drop-down menu to select the designated channel for your check-in. Now, you'll need to compose the message that will be sent to your team. You can customize this message to suit your team's needs, be it a reminder, motivational note, or simply a prompt for feedback. After finalizing the content of your message, click on Publish Workflow to save and activate it. Finally, click on Done to have everything set securely. Your message is now set to go out regularly, as you designed. But what if you need to make changes later on? Slack makes it easy to manage and update your workflows. Simply click on Managed by You to access all automations currently under your control. Locate the pencil icon on the right side of the automation you wish to edit. Clicking it will allow you to make changes to both the workflow and the specific actions within it. Don't forget, once you've made the necessary adjustments, ensure they're saved by selecting Publish Changes. With these simple steps, you've now automated your Slack messages. This feature not only enhances team coordination, but also frees up your time for other tasks, making communication efficient and streamlined. Thank you for watching, and happy automating!